Hello everyone. So happy Good Friday everyone from this one. So we're here from this analyze of these games here with the title of this one is FIDE Women's Grand Prix Phone 2025. So it means day 1. So it means day 1 from this one in this tournament. So these are the 10 players of FIDE Women's Grand Prix Phone 2025. So these are the 10 players. So let's see. So these are 10 players from this one, and also have a Grandmaster Hampi Conero from this India, and also GM Zhu Zhener from this China. So it means Grandmaster Zhu Zhener from China here. And also International Master Polina Shovalova in this Russia from this one. And also International Master Alina Kashu, what is last name? So it means Kashunskaya from this Poland. And also Grandmaster Vaishali from this India, the Brotherhood of Pragdananda. And GM, what's his name? So GM Harika Dronavali from this India. And International Master Divya Deshmukh from this India again. And International Master Norgil Salinmova from this Bulgaria, and International Master Batkuyak Munguntuul in Mongolia. And the last, this one is International Master Salome Melia from this Georgia. So these are the 10 players here from this one. So it means day 1, today's day 1 from this last day 1 here, and also long game within 1 hour and 30 minutes from this chess clock here from this one. And also have between from this international master from this beautiful from Bulgaria is Norgul Salimova versus international master from this India is Divya Deshmukh from this one. So in this today's day 1 from this what do you call this, so it means round robin. So it means in this part of this video here we have analyzed here of these chess games in this day 1. So white plays Salimova is d4, knight f6 Deshmukh, knight f3. So it means knight f3 is called knight's variation from this one. So these are the main line here is simple is also c4 and also e6 and knight to c3. So these are the examples from these main lines from whites and blacks here. So it means Salimova is knight f3 by knight's variation from this one, and also e6. So it means e6 by Deshmukh, and also bishop to f4 is called a London system from this one. So it means without first by pawns, second by knights, and third by bishop. So it means it's called London system. And also c5. So it means c5 by move here. So it means without threat by pawns, without controls, without threatening by pawns. And also defense e3 by Salimova, and also captured, and also b6 with idea with this Deshmukh, or realize with a move by here by a6 with simple is that with a push by here by b5 without it's called a curve. So it means curve by, I don't know if it is curve from this one, so it is curve. And also h4 with the strongest move by Salimova without push h4. So it means h4 by without strongest move by Salimova here without develops, maybe without push by h5 without next target is h6 from this one. And also bishop to e7, so it means without coming by castling by Deshmukh without controls here. And also knight c3, bishop b7, so it means bishop to b7 is light square bishop. So it means not yet without castling by here by Deshmukh without develops here. And also bishop to d3, so it's simple is that we need to realize by controls here by Salimova, and a6 by Deshmukh. So these are the here a6 with idea with a move by push b5 without Deshmukh without pawns here from this one. And also queen e2, so it means with idea with Salimova with the left side by castling queen side and the right side by castle king side without castle here. and also b5 by Deshmukh with the strongest move. So realize here with upcoming push by here by b4 without threatening by knights here from this one. And also a3 with a stop move by b5 with the black pieces here without controls from this one. And also d6 and also rook h3. So it means novelty by Salimova. So it means these are not found on this booklet. So these are the main line here. Is simple, is good novelty, simple castle, queen side without develops here, without controls, without focusing move here from this one. So it means novelty is rook h3 by Salimova here from this one. And also knight bd7 and also push h5 by Salimova with the strongest move. So it means with idea, so it means h6 here without defense by bishop here or maybe by rook. So it means these are the defense from this one. And also rook c8 and force king f1. So it means Salimova doesn't want by castle queenside here. So the realize here is simple castle. So it means simple castle queenside without develops here, without time controls here. So it means force king f1 by Salimova. So it means she doesn't want by castle queenside here. And also knight b6. So these are knight b6 here is putting by bad move of this computer by Deshmukh. So it means bad move. So the one's accuracy move here is simple castle kingside. Without realize we need to castle from this one. So back there is knight b6 by Deshmukh here, and also rook e1 without move by Salimova, without rook and queen, without doubles. We realize without behind by rook here, and also queen d7, knight h2. So realize knight h2 here. Oh, simple is that with a move here. So realize with a move here without knight g4. So I don't know what you think this move here from this one. And also queen to c6 with Deshmukh. So first by move here by d7 and simple is c6. So without straight and without left side here from this one. So it is without queen, neutralized by queens here. And so it means these are the queens here. So the queens, so these are the queens and bishop. So it means without queen, without threatening by mating net by Salimova. So this one is checkmate. So these are the doubles, queen and bishop. So it means threatening by mating nets here from this one. And also f3 by Salimova without defense. So it means cannot move here because these are defense by pawns without here by f3. And also knight bd5 with Deshmukh. So realize here with the targets by bishop and the knights. So these are controls here by doubles here from this one. So realize by develops. And also bishop d2 without defense by knights here. And also queen b6 with a behind by left side here without Deshmukh. And also queen f2 with the right side by Salimova. So these are the controls here by develops here. And decided capture these knights here. Bishop takes knight. And also king d7 with a forced move. So it means Deshmukh doesn't want castle kingside. So it means with idea wants castle kingside without develops here by here. So it means castle kingside. So it means forced by king d7 by Deshmukh. Will I realize here from this one. And also queen d2 with the left side with a move by 3 steps by move here. And also bishop to c6 and b3 with idea or maybe with a move here by b4. So it means these are strongest by evaluation bar. And also g6, so it means without ready by captured by pawns here, without develops here. And also bishop to a1 backwards and capture this pawn. And good move c4, good move by Salimova. So realize with idea with a second move with a push c5 or neutralized by queen. And also d5, so it means it's called rook c-bind by Deshmukh. So it means rook c-bind. So maybe without targets by pawns or really pawns here from this one. So it means without targets here from this one. And also another good move c5 by Salimova. So it means without neutralized by queen with a threat by queens here from this one. And also queen c7 and bishop to c3 and also rook cg8 without eighth rank by dash move with a realized by rook to g7 or coming battery from this one. And also king g1 and also rook g7 upcoming battery. So it means without upcoming battery from this one. And also knight f1, so it means realized by move here. And also rook hg8 battery by dash move. So simple is that we need to with the targets by check, so it was without, because these are double battery from this one. And also rook e2 by Salimova without defense here, so these are defense from this one. And also king force e8, so it means another bad move by dash move. So the once occurrency move here is simple is knight to e8, so it means without develops here, or maybe without focus here, hero without controls here. So back there is king to e8 and also a4, so it means these are X move by Salimova. So the once occurrency move here, the best moves is simple is b4 without strongest hit evaluation bar from white pieces here. So back there is a4 by here and also h4 sacrifice. So it means sacrifice here by dash move here with a realize here. Or simple is that we need to move here and also captured. So for example, in accept, why don't we rook takes 3 pawns from this one, and also knight e4 without opening, simply without threat by rook here without defense here. So if you capture this, rook takes sacrifice here from this one, and also pawn takes and bishop takes here. If you capture this bishop, and simple is rook takes captured. So capture this one, or maybe here is pawn takes captured. So these are the evaluation bar here. So back there is capture this pawn, captured, and rook takes captured. So it means we need to capture here, and also knight e4 without opening, threatening by rook. So it means without develops here from this one. So first puzzle, what do you think that in this the good decisions by I.M. Salimova from this good move by sacrifice? So while waiting for a couple for seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here, and congrats for everyone. Is rook takes capture, boom. Good move, sacrifice by Salimova here. And also capture this rook and captured, bad move. So the best moves there is bishop takes captured. So it means captured. If you capture this, bishop takes captured. And simple is that is pawn takes bishop. So these are the examples. These are evaluation bar. So it means the evaluation bar is okay. So it means, so capture this pawns here, and good move is f5 by dash move. Good move. And also queen e3 and rook to g4 without threatening. So realize that, so bishop threatening pawns and rook sacrifice. So these are examples here from this one. And also bishop to e1 and capture this bishop, and also bishop takes check. So for example, in accept, why don't we capture this bishop takes e4 and also pawn takes bishop without develops here. So need two examples here from this one. So back there is bishop takes b5 check, and also king f7 and g3. So it needs without move g3 here, and also bishop g5 without neutralized by queen, threatening by queens here without queens here from this one, and also queen c3 and rook to h4 without threatening by here h1 by check. So it means without develops here, and also bishop to d3 without bishop to bishop, and also rook h1 check, and also king f2. So it means king f2 here, and also bishop d5 with a avoided, so it means bad move by dash move. So the best moves there is continue, bishop takes captured, and queen takes bishop. So these are the examples here from this one. So back there is bishop to d5 and bishop c4 without bishop to bishop, and also rook d8 without defense bishop. So it means another bad move by dash move. So the best moves there is continue, bishop takes captured, and also queen takes c4. So it means queen takes c4 from this one. So it means without move here, we need to capture here. So rook d8 defense by bishop, and also capture this bishop, rook takes bishop, and also king g2 threatening rook, and also rook h6, bishop f2, f4. So it means without strongest by dash move, and also knight h2. So it means bad move by Salimova. So the best moves there is knight to d2. So realize here from this one, knight d2 here. So knight h2 by Salimova, and also bishop to f6. So it means with the controls here, threatening by pawns or maybe rook. I don't think a sacrifice here from this one. And knight to g4. So it means knight g4 by Salimova, threatening by rook and threatening bishop. Sorry, so it means threatening bishop and threatening by rook without doubles here from this one. And also rook g6 threatening by knights, and also knight takes bishop threatening rook, rook takes knight, and rook e4, another bad move by Salimova. So the best moves there is queen to d3. So it means queen d3 here from this one. So back there is rook e4 and queen c6 here from this one, and capture this pawn. So it means the first puzzle. So what do you think the first puzzle? Find new brilliant sacrifice by I am Dashmu from India. So while waiting for a couple for seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much and congrats for everyone. Boom! Rook takes c5. Sacrifice. Brilliant move by Dashmuk. And also queen f3. So it means, so what do you think if you capture this one, pawn takes sacrifice. So it means these are the queen cannot move this captured because these are targets bishop. So realize here with the targets here, we need to be more careful from this one. So it means careful. So it means, so queen f3 here, and also rook c3 with a threatening queen, and bishop to e3. So it means defense. Queen d5, rook e5. So it means without here threatening by queens, or maybe here by threatening queen to queen. So it means these are the values here. And also rook g6 check, and also rook g5 without defense here. So it means these are, so it means rook to rook and queen to queen without queen to queens here from this one. So time clocks here. So it means 54 seconds by Salimova and 4 minutes by Deshmukh. So it means realize here from this one. So it means the last shot. So what do you think the second puzzle, the finding brilliant move? So it means before resigns by the beautiful international master Salimova in Bulgaria. So while waiting for a couple of her seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here and congrats for everyone. The last shot, this one is rook takes captured bishop without sacrifice here. So it means resigned by international master Bulgaria Salimova. So why she resigns? Because for example, if you queen takes d5 only move here, and also rook e2 check. So it means if you move by king h1, so it means rook h6 check. So it means if you move here, so it means if you move king g1 here and also king h2. So these are the doubles by rooks here. So it means double. So it means, so if you move by here, for example, if you move by king f1, so it means king f1 here, and also is rook a2. So if you move by here, if you move by rook g1 and rook a1, mating net. So it means lose by whites. So it means lost by whites here. So the winner of this one in this international master from this India is Divya Deshmukh. Congratulations from this one in this. Keep up the good job. So the next day two, so it means these are the day two. I will choose the games from this international master. But Kuyang Mongotol Mongolia versus the China is Grandmaster Zhu Zhener. So I will update from this chess analyze here. I hope that this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Luwag 17, aka iCoolMark17. Have a good day and keep safe and keep update of this next chess update. So it means happy Good Friday. Bye bye.